Good morning to everybody. Maybe good evening. Some people are watching and joining out of the country. This is our Saturday morning regular meditation at the Blue Lotus Main Temple, Woodstock, Illinois, outside of Chicago. There are so many people join me this morning from different places, different states and different countries. Thank you so much, being you, coming together as like-minded people, practice loving kindness, mindfulness during this pandemic, during this difficult time in our lives. This meditation practice is our true blessing and true protection for our own lives and also lives of the world. Having that beautiful realization, find a place to sit, your chair, cushion, wherever you are, comfortable place. During this guided meditation, no need to looking at the screen, but you all can hear my voice. That is enough right now. Be grateful to this time, this opportunity. We all can practice together virtually. I am so happy about this opportunity. I can connect with you all, add more love to you and the world. I feel I am here to serve you, help you, guide you and protect you. Now take few deep long breaths and relax your body. Make a strong determination. I am going to practice meditation today, this morning or this evening. This meditation helps me to keep my mind peaceful, happy, joyful and balanced. This is my determination for this sitting. As we always practice self-love, this is the way to start, this is the way to practice. Self-love is your beginning of your journey and also the beginning of the world, your own world, and also world you are creating inside you. Then you are giving that world to the outside world, external world. Therefore, in this moment, deeply, wisely, mindfully understand the power of self-loving kindness, meditation and practice. I am well, I am happy, I am peaceful. Now send your loving thoughts towards your family. May all of my family members be well, be happy, be peaceful. Whatever positive, loving energy you created in you, now this is the time for you to send those loving energy or radiating that energy towards your family members. May all of my family members be well, be happy, be peaceful. May no harm come to them, may no difficulties come to them. May they always find good health, protection, joy and balance in their lives. This is my wish. This is our wish towards our families. We all are brothers and sisters in one large family. Now send your loving thoughts towards whole world. May all human beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. It's a difficult time for everybody in the world, especially human beings. They have lots of worries, fear and anxiety. Please send your loving thoughts towards whole world. May all human beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. May all non-human beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. Now slowly turn your attention to your breath. Every breath you take in, you take out is taken mindfully. Remember to focus on your natural, ordinary breaths. No need to repress your thoughts. No need to control your thoughts. Let them come, let them be, or let them go. If you are distracted by a thought or a feeling or a sensation, bring your attention back gently but firmly to the spot where you experience that subtle sensation of the breath. Remember, we all are breathing, which is very important, which we call life. If we are distracted by our breath, we are distracted our lives. That's what we call pranayam, prana, life-giving breath. In this moment, there are so many people in the world struggling to keep their breath. Because of this virus. While so many people are struggling with their breath, how wonderful we all are mindfully focusing on our breath as meditation practitioners. Therefore, be grateful for your breath, be grateful to your life. This is an opportunity. This is your good karma. You cannot breathe last moment. You cannot breathe the next moment, only this moment. We call present moment. Present moment is the only thing, only one we have in our lives. All other things are temporary. If we can manage our present moment, we are at peace, we have balance, content life. We are not affected by outside storms, outside distractions. You are in a middle ground. You are in a holy place. Then you become a holy man or holy woman, because you are managing your present moment. To be holy, no need to change your dress. Your dress is not holy. The place you live is not holy. Physical things and physical places are not holy. Holy is your mind, how you manage your thoughts, feelings, and emotions. If you can bring your awareness to a middle ground, if you can practice middle path, which we call the holy path, then you become holy person, being in the middle ground, being in a holy ground. Ask yourself a question: can I be holy? Same time, please understand, this practice you cannot get the benefit within a night It is not overnight work. It is a lifelong practice. It is a process. Therefore, don't be hurry. Slowly is holy. Take your time, paying attention, be still, keep doing with good intention. Where's your breath? Where's your mind? Are you distracted? If you are distracted, see yourself, I am distracted. Recognize it. Respect that feeling. No need to be disappointed of it. Slowly and mindfully bring your mind back to your breath. Sometimes meditation seems to be difficult because our concentration is not well developed. It takes time. I am always reminding you all, meditation is not a punishment. We all are in the process of our training, of our practice. Therefore, take small steps every day, having good intention, I am going to grow. You cannot measure your practice using this conventional time. Therefore, no need to attach the time of your practice, how long you are practicing. More than how long you are practicing, how good you are doing, whatever time you are doing. I am suggesting to people, please practice meditation every day, 2 minutes, if you go with time. After you sit 2 minutes every day, seeing yourself, set your intention for the day, then live your life with your family, with your children, doing your work. Then you are practicing, seeing your emotions. If you are distracted, observing that distraction, not to making judgment or condemning yourself or others. Being patient, understanding what is patient, then understanding what is letting go. That means you are in the middle ground and practicing mindfulness, awareness, and developing and cultivating loving kindness. We call metta. As a result of this practice, we call you are a wise person. wisdomful people. Different names in the different levels. The highest level we call the Buddha mind. You all are in the process of that journey. If you want to change your posture where you sit, please change where you like. No need to struggle. No need to push so hard to sit if you feel uncomfortable. Part of our loving kindness practice is respecting to our body and understand our limits. Then adjust accordingly. Sometimes you may experience sleepiness, laziness, some boredom, doubts, perhaps regret. Are you aware about them? Make sure you are halfway. You are sleeping. If you are sleeping, you are not meditating. You are sleeping. That's why I'm always reminding people, when you are relax your body and mind, the first reaction is you are falling asleep, which is totally fine, but you cannot call it meditation. We call it sleeping and relaxing. After your relaxed experience, if you can maintain your mind with your mindfulness practice, you can keep yourself awake. You are alert. You are observing silently your thoughts, feelings, and emotions. That's what we call meditation practitioners, mindfulness practitioners, truth seekers. And also, sometime during this process of your meditation, maybe you hear some voices, maybe you can experience some colors. Don't attach to them. Those are delusional. If you hear some voices, listen to them, observe them, be with them, or let them pass. Same with all the mental phenomena, your thoughts, feelings, emotions. You are fully present. All those activities, storms, good or bad, whatever happening in your mind, you are fully present to those experiences without judging or without condemning, just respecting to them, be with them, don't believe them. Don't attach to them. When you attach and when you react to them, you bring them in, then that reaction becomes your problem, your issue. Then you have pain, disappointments, madness, anger. You cannot concentrate. All those problems comes after your reaction. Thoughts are not the problem. Emotions are not the problem. Those are okay, those are wonderful. Problem is our reactions. How we are processing them. I was thinking this morning about this pandemic. Then I was thinking, before this big hit, this pandemic, did we have pandemic experience? I think life itself is a pandemic every day. But we didn't see it. Every day we had problems. Every day we had the issues. Every day people were dying due to different viruses. What is the purpose? I am suggesting these points for you to consider. In this process of the journey of the Blue Lotus Temple, when I observe my own practice, I know I changed a lot with my spiritual journey. I'm happy, I'm humble about it, I'm grateful for the Buddha and the teaching, gave me so much wisdom for me to understand my life. The people who practice with me last many years, I am asking you all, please consider of your practice too. This is the good time to consider. Now observe your mind, observe your body. Your body is relaxed, your mind is calm, tranquil and peaceful. Make a strong determination to practice meditation every day, regularly, with diligence and patience. Understand how important this meditation practice to keep yourself well, happy and peaceful. Now I am going to do a short chant, give blessings to all of you. This chant helps you to find blessing, healing to the world, healing to our families, healing and protection to our healthcare workers, doctors, nurses, and whole world. And also today I am going to bless these mala beads. We call healing mala beads. So you can give to somebody need love, healing and protection. You can send it to somebody. We have a lot here at the temple. If you want to get one, you can order one online. So I am going to bless them for you today, these mala beads too. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Itipiso bhagava arahang Samma sambuddho vijjācarana sampanno sugato lokavidu anuttaro purisa dhamma sarati sattā deva manussanang buddho bhagavati swakkato bhagavata dhammo sandittiko අකාලිකෝ ඒහි පස්සිකෝ ඕපනයිකෝ පච්චත්තං වේදිතම්බෝ විඤ්ඤූහිති සුපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ උජුපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ ඥායපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ සාමීචි පටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ යදිදං චත්තාරි පුරිස යුගානි අට්ඨ පුරිස පුග්ගලා ඒස භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ ආහුනේයෝ පාහුනේයෝ දක්ඛිනේයෝ අංජලි කරණීයෝ අනුත්තරං පුඤ්ඤක්ඛෙන්තං ලෝකස්සාති ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන දුක්ඛා වූප සමින්තු තේ ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන භයා වූප සමින්තු තේ ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන රෝගා වූප සමින්තු තේ තණ්හං කරෝ මහාවීරෝ මේදං කරෝ මහායසෝ සරණං කරෝ ලෝකහිතෝ දීපංකරෝ ජුතින්දරෝ කොණ්ඩඤ්ඤෝ ජනපාමොක්කෝ මංගලෝ පුරිසාසවෝ සුමනෝ සුමනෝ ධීරෝ රේවතෝ රතිවඩ්ඩනෝ සෝබිතෝ ගුණ සම්පන්නෝ අනෝමදස්සී ජනුත්තමෝ පදුමෝ ලෝකපජ්ජෝතෝ නාරදෝ වරසාරති පදුමුත්තරෝ සත්තසාරෝ සුමේදෝ අංග පුංගලෝ සුජාතෝ සබ්බ ලෝකංගෝ පියදස්සී නරාසබෝ අත්තදස්සී කාරුණිකෝ ධම්මදස්සී තමෝනුදෝ සිද්ධාතෝ අසමෝ ලෝකේ තිස්සෝ වරද සංවරෝ පුස්සෝ වරද සම්බුද්ධෝ විපස්සීච අනූපමෝ සිකී සම්බහිතෝ සන්තා වෙස්ස භූසුකදායකෝ කකුසන්දෝ සත්තවාහෝ කෝනා ගමනෝ රනංජහෝ කස්සපෝ සිරි සම්පන්නෝ ගෝතමෝ සක්්‍ය පුංගවෝ තේ සංසච්චේන සීලේන කන්තිමෙත්ත බලේන ච තේපි ත්වං අනුරක්කන්තු ආරෝගේන සුකේන චාති සබ්බීතියෝ විවජ්ජන්තු සබ්බ රෝගෝ විනස්සතු මාතේ භවත්වන්තරායෝ සුඛී දීඝායුකෝ භව භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ බුද්ධානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ ධම්මානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ සංඝානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ දුක්ඛප්පන්තාච නිද්දුක්ඛා භයප්පත්තාච නිබ්බයා සෝකප්පත්තාච නිස්සෝකා හොන්තු සබ්බේපි පානිනෝ ආකාසට්ටාච බුම්මට්ටා දේවා නාග මහිද්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්ඛන්තු ශාසනං ආකාසට්ටාච බුම්මට්ටා දේවා නාග මහිද්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්ඛන්තු දේශනං ආකාසට්ටාච බුම්මට්ටා දේවා නාග මහිද්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්ඛන්තු ත්වං සදාති. May you be well, may you be happy, may you be peaceful. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.